Well, a good evening, Athens. Currently taking a look right now at Sanford Stadium and the UGA campus. You can see them clouds moving on in. Well, they're moving in, but they've been here really the past couple of hours because we've been seeing rain really all day today. It's been a really cloudy day here in Athens. It's going to stay like this over the next couple of hours and even tomorrow. But right now, it's sitting at 68 degrees right now, misting out there. I feel like temperature's right at around 71 degrees, and it's not really a big shocker because that humidity's on up into around the upper 90s for Athens. Now, tonight, not much really of a big change in terms of temperature. 67 is the forecasted low for here in Athens, so generally upper 60s throughout North Georgia tonight. Not, like I said, not much of a big change. Now, that moisture, as I said, that's been lingering today, this is all in part thanks to Hurricane Raphael. Currently sitting at right now is a Category 2 hurricane in the Caribbean, and it's going to continue to move and make its way into the Gulf of Mexico over the next couple of days. As Saturday, it's still a Category 1 hurricane, so it's going to be a relatively strong storm even into Saturday, and it's going to continue to bring its impacts far to the south. Well, far into the southeast and far into Georgia, as rain is going to be really the name of the game from this particular system over the next couple of hours and even days. Taking a look right now at the current radar shot, as you can see, there's some pretty heavy downpours south of Waynesboro right now. Edenton, you can see some really strong signatures right there moving to the north of Edenton, but generally rain all across North Georgia right now and much of the southeast as this moisture is continuing to funnel on up into our area. Now tonight, really the same story. As you can see, there is some rough rain forecasted to move into the southeastern parts of Georgia. Now tomorrow, as you get out and take your morning commute, you may see some showers here or there, but generally speaking right now, we're thinking it may clear on up out of here. That being said, there could be some pop-up showers here in North Georgia. So if you are out and about through this time tomorrow afternoon, just keep an eye out. There could be some pop-up showers. Rain is still in the forecast for tomorrow, so just keep an eye out on that just to stay on the safe side. And it'll clear on out through tomorrow afternoon. But with all this rain, well, you can expect there to be some flooding issues because here in Athens, we're expected to get around 1 to 2 inches of rain, but southeastern Georgia, they could get way up into the 6 to 7 inch range. So that's something to keep an eye on, and that's something the National Weather Service has also been keeping an eye on because there is a flood watch currently for much of Georgia and some portions of North Georgia, as that flood watch is going to remain in effect through tonight, even into tomorrow. So that is something worth noting and something that you should keep an eye on because flooding is going to stay a threat with this system because of the amount of rain we've received over the past couple of hours, as well as the amount of rain we are forecasted to receive over the next couple of hours. Tomorrow, that rain is going to stick around. We will get up into the mid-70s throughout much of North Georgia. But that being said, the cloud coverage is really going to be the key feature here to the reason we may not get up into the mid-70s tomorrow, as that rain is going to continue to stick around, as well as that cloud coverage, keeping them temperatures in the lower 70s tomorrow. Now, if you are planning to go out to Oxford this weekend, as I said, the tropical moisture is going to continue to funnel into the southeast. It's going to be a really wet one out at Ole Miss as the Dogs take on the Rebels at around, kickoff's right at 3:30, but right at around 3:30, it's going to be raining, unfortunately. So all you Dogs fans traveling out to Oxford this weekend, be sure you are weather aware and be sure you take all the weather gear and rain gear that you may need for game day in Oxford Saturday. Now taking a look at that 7-day forecast, we're going to continue to warm on up into the lower 70s even into Friday. Them rain chances are going to dwindle on down to almost really nothing Sunday into Monday, but we may pick on back up with the rain chances Tuesday into Wednesday. But generally 70s all across the board, setting up for a really nice week here in Athens and all across North Georgia. Thanks for watching, and go Dogs!